Hello wonderful people, my name is Santiago and today I'm going to show you guys how to check your official course grades through MyMav. First things first, from the uta.edu webpage, select Students. Then, scroll down a little bit, and under the Quick Links section, select MyMav. Afterwards, select Student Login, enter in the appropriate information, and Student Login here will then be selected. After that, you will arrive at the home page for your MyMav. You can check your course grades by going over to the Academic Record window. Click it to view your academic records. On the left-hand side, select the View Grades tab, and select the term you'd like to view your grades for. For me, it will be Spring of 2020, and that is how you view your grades in Canvas. Thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day.